kutoka Kirambo. Tulikuwa tunachunga ng'ombe wengi kondoo. Kirambo became handy. Sisi wakati wa drought.
Just this is one of the thick bushes. The solar imefanya mahindi yamekuwa hajakuwa vizuri kama haya. Akipata mvua kidogo. Sandy soil. Kwa mbele mahindi, watu wamepanda mahindi. Yeah, mahindi yamekuwa sawa. Nagabaya buya. Hiyo mti pia unafaa ukatwe. Ndio angalau isiharibu, isizuie sunlight from reaching the plants. Hapa hivi more sandy soil. So hii ni ile sukuma ya Visagia. Kweli?
Ni kama ile chali la kupanda.
Hapo nimerealize ile nani ukitaka kama kufanya commercial kama kuuza sukuma. It is better kupanda hii yenye sio ya Visagia. Inakuwa more leafy than the others. This one become more leafy. I don't know. Ants are biting me. Oh, hey. Ni kama walibadilisha njia ya kupita. Ama hii mto siku hizi haiko accessible. There used to be a path here.
Yeah.
Seems they have changed. It has been long since I came here. I don't know where. Seems this river was blocked or something. This place. Yeah. This river is one of the rivers that have served us for ages. I'm surprised today that it is dried out and bushy, very dangerous. An animal can be here anytime. This is a very, very, very dangerous river. I thought that I have taken long before coming here. So I just decided to visit this place, the village, in the outskirts of Nyabohanzo village. I can see the river is almost dried. We have been using this river for ages, since we are young, for domestic purposes. I wonder that today, oh my God, what happened? I will ask around and see. It seems there is a problem. You can see the river. It has a lot of this is algae or something. This one. Mimi tunahitaji kwa Kikuria mkuro algae. Oh, it seems that the river has died. Our river has died. Oh, this is serious. Kuna ile ama walikata ule mti. Kuna mti ulikuwa pale, there used to be a tree there that used to supply water here. It seems it is the one that has been cut. Serious. Yeah, a tree can become a source of water. Let's move this way. Twende. Hey, Katuma. It didn't occur to me. Sikuwa ijua kwamba hii mto itakuja kufungwa. Kumbe tutembeagi kabisa. Yani I'm just at home but I've not been touring this place. So it seems that nowadays the source of water is which might be the source of water here, because there's one dam there, one dam across the river there. Let me try to zoom in. There's one dam across the river, across the trees. You can find water. I don't know where these people. Let's move and tour this place. Some reeds there. These ones are yams, I think. This is I'm here in one of the rivers around this particular place. Here you have to jump. At least there is water here. Watu wanaogeaga hapa, si ndio? See why people wash their they bathe in the river. This is water. The river is flowing good. I think somebody can bathe here and wash himself here. There's a lot of water. It's a good place to bathe. Yeah, those ones that need rivers to bathe, you can see here. It's a good place. It's not as the other one there. The other one is dried. Yeah. So as you can see, the river here is dried. I mean, at least there is some water here. It's a miracle. I don't know where this water comes from. Maybe this water, I think it has traveled from Nyabohanse village through this path. You can see from the other, on the horizon there, water is flowing like this up to this particular place. It's really a wonder. Yeah, this is a spring. I don't know whether it's a river or a spring. What do you think? This is a river or a spring? Maybe it's a river. If you look at the far end there, there is a dam. There's a dam there. I think that's where we are headed. You can see if there is more water there. Yo. That's it. So let's keep on doing this video. Thank you very much. Travel with me. See how this village is. Yeah, it's today this particular place of the village. Thank you very much. Let's keep moving. Yeah, so this is we are here today, and we are traveling together this river. Let's move. This is another part. Let's move it. It's another part of the river. It's still flow. This one is moving very slowly. We used to bathe here when we were boys. Gosh. So this is a Sunday. This is how I've decided to spend my Sunday today. Today I've decided to break monotony of teaching in class or teaching content. Yeah, today I've decided to move in this particular place so that it's a nature walk, my friends. I decided just to take a video and show you around how beautiful this place is, so that you can desire to visit this particular place. You can have the desire, the zeal to visit this particular place. You can look at this environment. The breeze is serene and peaceful, cool, nice. The environment is so cool, so nice. Oh my God, this is nature. God has blessed us a lot. It's really a wonder. So this is Nyabwanse Teacher. Remember to watch this video. Remember to watch all the other videos that I've posted. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share to your friends so that I grow. I know when I grow, you'll be very happy. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for the 300 plus subscribers right now. I wish and anticipate to have more by the end of the week. Thank you very much. Let's keep going on. This is another part of the river. I think this is the best place somebody can bathe. It's good, man. It's good. You can see. It's a bit flowing. It's flowing towards that particular path. It's flowing towards the dam. Huko kuna sehemu ya kupita kweli? Huko? No, you can find. We want to move to the other side. We want to see whether we can move to the other side. It's easier like that, so that we can start our vlog. Can start another vlog. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. These are trees. I can feel the breeze. You can look at how the trees are dancing. Yeah, enjoying the breeze of the day. Birds chirping and and we're feeling it. We're feeling the breeze of the village. How I wish you were here to witness this particular breeze. So nice. Look at the far end. There are people showering, taking shower, and swimming, fishing, and other activities around. This dam, Quirambo Dam. Right now it is protected. The government initiated a project to protect it. You can see it is highly protected. Yeah. It used to be bigger than this. Right now it is smaller. Don't know whether there's a way, there's a path. Is there a path here really? I can pass. There is one there. Look at the farthest end. Uko mahali. Ma akachirang kahara. Kunaka. Turahete ha. Injeri takabora. Seems the people have already created a panya route here. Human beings are very clever. There's a panya route there. I don't know whether it's good to pass through here. Yeah. There's one here. Check. There's one here. People are there. They are fishing. People are fishing. There's a lot of water. There's plenty of water here. Yesterday it rained. God is wonderful. Mora, kuna samaki? Oh. Mbona mnatoka hapa? Oh. The young boys were trying to fish. It seems there are no fish here. No fish. Look at the water. It's so nice. They're not allowed to fish. I think this is where people bathe. You can see. They may contaminate water. You see that these ones are bathing nets. They were trying to fish. I mean, this is where people bathe. Look at the far end there, women are washing clothes. Yeah. The water is massive. So massive. The law does not allow them to bathe. The beauty of Africans, we like breaking laws. When you're told you should not urinate here, is where you urinate. That's how the beauty of Africans. Laws are made to be broken. You can see far end there. There's an official gate there. Think. What is this? Something jumping in water. Sehemu ya watu kuoga. Near official.
Yeah, officially.
Outside the dam.
Yeah.
The other part. So it is an official place for bathing.
For bathing and for watering animals.
It's good, it's good. So it's as if yale maji yanatoka hapa yanaingia hapa na kuna sehemu yanatokea yana offlet. Ngoja kidogo. Is water. Let me touch the water. Touch the water and see. It has been long since I came in this particular river. Yeah, anyway, I want to do some other business in this particular place. So I just took I just made a short video so that you can see this particular video in this particular channel, so you can know that in this village there is a beauty, there's a gem around here where you can come and bask, and even you can shower. If you need a lot of water to shower yourself, you can come here and shower for as long as you want. But the most important thing is you are seeing this is the tour. You can see the river. I think I'll try to at least to do this. Yeah. Yeah, so as I said earlier on, I'm coming to the end of my video. You can see this is a beautiful scenery. This is a home of positive vibes, miracles, seeing wonders. You know, I'm also introducing a bit of lifestyle, but I just took a nature walk today. Much greetings from Nyabohanse teacher. Remember to greet your lovely ones, your families. May they being alive. Wish you long life so that you keep on interacting with each other. Remember to subscribe, support Nyabohanse teacher wherever you are. This is a lovely channel. Drop a comment, a like, share with your friends. Keep on doing it. Yeah, let us support each other. Yeah, I ask not much from you people. I don't ask for money or anything else, but I just want you to support my channel to reach 1,000 subscribers. I will be very happy. So I appreciate for the few subscribers I have. It's a win-win because imagine 300 plus people in one community. This is good. Otherwise, I wish you a lovely Sunday. Today is a lovely Sunday. Yeah, today I didn't manage to go to the church today because of one or two reasons. But again, we praise the Almighty God to be with all of us. Greet your families and all your friends and lovely ones. Remember to tell them there is a channel of somebody, teacher known as Nyabohanse teacher. Keep it real, keep it locked. Bigger. nice. Sasa mlinzi Nairobi ah? Hii hawezi waambia kitu sana. Ndio mwanzilishi. This place had water and now it is land. This is the dam.